So let me show you my absolute favorite affordable sunscreens, which again are obviously easily available in the Indian market. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I want to share my favorite sunscreens with you. All of them, they are going to be affordable and budget friendly because obviously summer is here. You don't want to get tanned, and these are the ones I feel like I always keep reaching for them. Even I have like many others in my cupboard. Maybe I'll make a part 2 if you guys enjoy this, but these are my like absolute favorite ones, and most of them are like what I use for my face. So let me show you my absolute favorite affordable sunscreens, which again are obviously easily available in the Indian market. The first one has to be this one from Vishkare, you guys. This is a niacinamide oil balance fluid sunscreen, and honestly I had seen so much Instagram content, YouTube content around this, and I was like, what is the big deal? Like, why is literally every single person so much in love with the sunscreen? But just look at that. It literally just like disappears in your skin, and all the sunscreen filters, they are all oil based. Okay, you have things like mineral sunscreen filters, which are like zinc PCA, or you have titanium dioxide. Now all these, they are like white color powders, which is why mineral sunscreens, they tend to give you that white cast. But otherwise the chemical filters, which most sunscreens have nowadays, they all are oil based, right? So for a brand to create a sunscreen which is so lightweight and literally gets absorbed in your skin is, I think, a big deal, which is why everybody has been loving this. So yeah, this is the first one. Also, all the links to the product which I'm talking about in this video, they are going to be mentioned in the description. They'll either be links to purchase from the website or from Amazon, wherever I can find it. Like, I can find the best deal for you guys. I'll link that down below. The second one is from actually the same brand, which is Wishare, but this is their vitamin C pure glow milk sunscreen, and I don't know again why this is not talked about, because this is also literally like water, and just look at that. So this also absorbs in your skin very well, very easily. But I think the niacinamide one is better if you have oily skin, and this vitamin C one is better if you have slightly more drier skin. Okay, and also it gives you a nice shine. Okay, I mean, all the sunscreens, not all, most of them will give you, except the ones which have silicones in them. But yeah, most sunscreens will give you this beautiful shine. But look at that, it's so nice. And again, these are sunscreens, guys, which I have not just used, but I have used, and I like when I'm getting ready, when you have like 10 sunscreens, for example, for some reason you will just choose one again and again. So these are those ones which I choose again and again. Then I have these two. They both are from the brand Moody. I know what you guys are gonna think, like, Moody, really? But I don't know. I love these. The only thing I don't like about them is their shape, because you can't keep them on the on your shelf like that. You have to keep them like this, and it just doesn't look good, I feel. But there are two actually. So let me tell you this one first. This is the 7D Hydroburst sunscreen, and this is again a hybrid sunscreen. Hybrid sunscreens are sunscreens which have both chemical and mineral filters. And again, all these, not all, at least these two, they have a really watery consistency as well. Not as watery, I guess, or maybe is it? Okay, it's not as watery as the Wishcare one, but yeah, it is watery enough. Okay, and yeah, these also absorb in the skin really well, really quick. But yeah, these are also really good. Now this one, obviously it says Hydroburst. It has hyaluronic acid and coconut water. Can you guys see? It has hyaluronic acid and coconut water, which does make it more hydrating, and I do feel the hydration. In fact, I think this gives the skin more shine. Okay, I'm just telling you what I feel. But yeah, this is something I love. It has a very nice fragrance. I don't know what this fragrance is, but if you have used this or you use it in the future, let me know. I just like it. I think it smells like, it's just something fresh, and like, I don't know, it's really good. Then I have this one, which is again from Moody, and this is their Sensi Soothe Mineral Fluid Sunscreen. So this is a mineral sunscreen. Now if you have sensitive skin, it is better to go for mineral sunscreens. Okay, which is why, like, now it makes sense. It is called Sensi Soothe, and it is a mineral sunscreen. People with sensitive skin, sometimes chemical filters can be really harsh for their skin. Chemical filters by definition are not harsh, but what happens is when you apply chemical filters, heat is generated in your skin. It's just like a process that takes place of absorbing the UV rays. Then those UV rays sort of get dissipated from your body as heat. Okay, that's how it works. So mineral sunscreens don't do that. They literally just reflect the UVA and the UVB rays back. Okay, so this is great. Like mineral sunscreens are great if you have like acne prone skin, or not acne prone skin, but if you have acne scars. Okay, again, as you can see, all these sunscreen guys, now the sunscreens that you get in the market, honestly, all of them have this really lightweight texture. There are some which do not have the lightweight texture, and I'm not going to show you those. Okay, so yeah, anyways, this is a mineral sunscreen, and as you can see, literally no white cast. Love it. And again, it has vitamin E and ceramides. Now vitamin E and ceramides both sort of works really well for acne and acne prone skin, and for sensitive skin, which is what this is made for. By the way, sensitive is not a skin type. I see a lot of people saying sensitive skin, my skin type is sensitive. It's not a skin type. You only have dry skin, oily skin, and combination skin. These are the skin types that you have. Sensitive is what your skin becomes, not becomes. If your skin is sensitive as a child and it's always sensitive, it means that you have a damaged skin barrier. Your skin barrier is not strong enough, but there is no skin type, FYI. Okay, now this is my next favorite one. This is from Dr. States, which is their ceramide and vitamin C long lasting sunscreen. Now see, here it says 360 minutes. So it's literally 360 minutes is 6 hours. So you can apply this sunscreen and you do not have to reapply it for 6 hours, which is absolutely great. But what that makes me feel is it's going to be really strong. So don't use this every single day. Like, don't just every single day use the same sunscreen, because it is something which is going to last for 360 minutes. If you don't need that kind of protection, just don't wear it. You can use something else. But if you're going to go out in the sun, or you go to work, or whatever, like you're going out and about, go for this, because reapplication is difficult. Now the last one, I'm sure you guys must not have really heard about this, but this brand had reached out to me. We did a collaboration reel, and I really like their product. So this is the one from turtleandsnail.co. This is their plant-based sunscreen. Now this is a hybrid sunscreen, okay, and there is a drawback. I'll just talk about that. Let me show you. When you use it, okay, the consistency is great, but you will see it does leave a white cast. Okay, so I know a lot of people don't like white cast. Sometimes when I'm applying makeup, I don't mind the white cast, and eventually in some time the white cast goes away. Okay, it does have like a very tiny bit, very thoda sa residue, but yeah, it does have, like, maybe on camera it's not visible, but can you tell it does have a white cast. Okay, it is not like foundation, but if you are going to apply makeup, you can use this sunscreen. I like the texture. If you have dry skin, actually, I think you guys will love it. Now, as a person who gets acne again and again, I keep trying to apply different products, and when I apply products for acne, they tend to dry my skin out. Okay, and on those days I love to reapply this. The good thing is they say water resistant. They don't mean waterproof, but it will resist water as much as possible. So if you sweat a little bit, or you wash your face maybe thoda sa halke se, it will not go. But if you go in the pool, it can go away. Okay, it's not waterproof, it's water resistant. Something I think brands should talk about in a more clearer manner, I feel. Anyways, so this is something which I love to use on days when my skin is feeling dry and I'm applying makeup or foundation. This works really great. And yeah, those were my recommendations for sunscreens. All of them are budget friendly. The only one which I'm not sure in terms of pricing is this one. I will go check it out. I will drop a link to buying this in the description box below. I really hope it is cheap, but I'm not too sure. Okay, again, like I said, this product was sent to me by the brand. All others I have purchased them myself. Okay, so I know the pricing. But anyways, I really hope this video helps you out in case you have been wanting to try a new sunscreen, or you want to know which sunscreen works good. All the ones that I have mentioned, all of them are great. Do try it out. And if you do try it out, or if you have tried anyone out, let me know in the comments. I would love to know. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you have not already, please do consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.